We're going to install some full extension soft close drawer slides, and we're going to install a box drawer, just a standard square drawer. Okay, first thing you're going to need is you are going to need some wood shims. You're going to need shims that will get you pretty close to the thickness of the face frame if you're working with a face frame style cabinet. If you're not, then these can just screw directly to the boards if it's a frameless cabinet. But you need these shims to be close to the thickness in line here with the face frame without protruding beyond the face frame. So they can be a little bit shy of the face frame, that's fine. And you're gonna nail these and glue them to the side of the cabinet in line with these screw tabs. I'll show you how these work here in a minute too. So anyway, you can set your drawer side in, see that it lines up. It's going to take 2 of these to get the thickness I'm looking for. Put a little bit of wood glue on and just staple her right on. Try not to take out a finger. That'll be good enough. Now, you're going to need to disassemble partially this drawer slide. I don't know if we'll be able to get this all on the screen for you. On the back here, there's this little knob or arm that sticks out. This is where it releases this lever. This lever rather releases the end of the drawer slide, so you need that out of the way to get your first screw in. And then you can line, sorry about that, see if I can get this where you can actually see what I'm showing you. You can line up the windows where you can see that front screw hole. Just go ahead and get down here. I like to set these back from the face frame, from the face of the face frame rather. I like to set it back about 1/16 of an inch. And I usually use a 3/4 inch screw, number 6. I know you're not going to be able to see this. Not quite a 1/16 of an inch, but it'll be fine. Okay. Use 3/4 inch screw back there too. I've got these little spacer blocks in here just to set it off the drawer where I want it to be. So I had to cut the spacer blocks. Okay. I'm going to try to show you what I did there. You want those screws to go through this first part of the tab here so that you can adjust where these drawer sides go. You can actually take this drawer side and bend it into the compartment a little bit if you need to adjust your drawer. I know that that one's going to have to be adjusted over there. Anyway, get back to this. See if I can get you at an angle where you can actually see what we're doing. Okay, now that you've got it screwed in, leave your spacer blocks because your drawer is going to sit on top of those temporarily. Make sure everything's still square. Get your slides put back together. There we go. Make sure you get the correct one on the correct side. You can't really get them on the wrong side usually. And these drawer slides, these are just a cheap drawer slide I bought online. I wanted to say 10 pairs of these, so 20 slides. It was about $60, $65. Really wasn't too bad. These things are usually a couple $100 for a 10 pack if you're getting good ones. These are rated at 100 pounds for the pair. I have not yet tested that out, but that's what the companies claim. I'll take their word for it. I haven't managed to break one yet. Reviews are kind of mixed online. Anyway, get your drawer in there, slide it out just far enough that you can get to the first screw hole over here, which I don't know if you can even see what I'm showing you. Anyway, short screws that came with it. Get it nice and lined up. Okay, you're just going to work your way forward. Find the next screw hole. Oops. Helps to put a magnet on the end of your drill. Okay. These will strip out pretty easily. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and do the other side. I'll show you how to get the back, how to get that last screw in, which we can't really see. A couple ways. Okay. So long as you get your first drawer positioned properly, you don't need any kind of special jigs for holding these hinges, the drawer sides in place. They do make some really handy jig guides, but there you go. That's really all there is to it. Let's see if we can get to that last screw. This way, there are some windows usually built in here. This one does not have the window I'm looking for. So I'm just going to pull the drawer out, release those two levers, get to that last one back there. Okay, that one's in. The first close, you will have to shove it shut to realign the bearings. You can tell that's binding just a little bit somewhere in there. But there you go. Soft close, she works. Thank you all for watching. If it was helpful, recommend it to a friend. It certainly help our channel. Like and subscribe or comment below. It is all helpful to us. And I do appreciate you taking the time to watch it. If there's anything else we can do for you, anything else you got a question about, please leave it in the comments below and we'll try to make a video for you.